Hi guys, Damien Keena again here with OnCommand Connection. I'm here at the TMC show in Atlanta. I've got Shelby here with Royal Trucking. He's got about 250 vehicles on OnCommand Connection, and I just wanted to bring him in to share some of the experiences he's had using the OCC.
So I actually have a full-time employee every morning. Her job duties are to come in and monitor the OnCommand dashboard, make phone calls to drivers, advising them of issues with their trucks, and then we make decisions on repairs, whether we need to get it repaired off-site or if the truck can actually make it back to our terminal and be repaired on-site. So it helps us a lot with downtime and managing our downtime.
We had a little bit of a conversation earlier. Shelby was telling me you spoke to another trucking company or one of your buddies.
Yes, sir.
And you told him to come over to the booth
I
here
did.
to get introduced to OnCommand Connection.
He really wants to use it, so I told him he needs to come see the OnCommand booth while he's here at TMC.
Oh, that's awesome. Hey, Shelby, I really appreciate your words. Thank you.
Thank you.
You guys take care.